My name is Brian Jump. I'm a guide for Arizona Outback Adventures, and the Sonoran Desert is my playground. I went to college in Colorado and moved down to Arizona to guide tours, and when I got here I really felt like I was home. Anywhere you live in the city of Phoenix, there's a mountain park, thousands of acres, within 10 minutes. And I can get up in the morning before sunrise on my mountain bike, be surrounded by desert without a view of the city. When you meet a group that is from all different places around the country or around the world and they don't know each other, it doesn't take long on the trail to create a group of friends. I love sharing my favorite places with people and getting to see it for the first time through their eyes. We had a group out on the Salt River. We were floating in kayaks. We came around a bend in the river and there was 10 wild horses watering in the river. And just as we saw them, we also saw a bald eagle come out of a cottonwood tree and fly by. And to see those two things together is pretty special. It's not what's changed, it's what's stayed the same that really is special to me. We've preserved the desert and we've not only preserved it, but we've made it better with great trails, great access, so that you can get out there and enjoy it. The soul of Phoenix is the dirt under the tires of my mountain bike. It's a place that you can be yourself and find yourself at the same time.